Hey everybody, it's Maggie Mulhern. We are in New York City with the coolest guy, Jamal Edmonds, and we were just talking about how fabulous his hair is, because last time I saw you, it was what?
It was really short.
Really short. Well,
Yeah, so it took me like 2 years to grow this out.
well, it looks great. I was just asking him how my hair was, and I got
It's
approval.
beautiful.
It's good. All
It's
right.
beautiful.
So we're at the coolest thing. It's the Texture Beauty Jam in New York City, held during Fashion Week, which I think is kind of interesting. But I said to Jamal, what is going on here? You have the coolest model ever. I mean, this is one of the coolest things I've ever seen. So walk us through how you did this.
All right, so basically what I did was her hair is really short, and I wanted to create some amazing dramatic texture for the show. So what I did was I'll show you how short her hair is, right? So this is her natural hair. And so what I did was I created some cool cornrows or braids, and then I actually took this hair and crocheted it in to create the length. And then on stage, I'm going to create a really cool shape, and I'll take my Mizani texture finishing spray to finish it off, add a cool dull shine, and to create some cool shapes and volume.
Okay, so can you actually show us? I know you're going to do it on stage, but show us how you do it. Again, look at how short this hair is. Hold it up again. I mean, it's like an inch.
Yep, so this is her natural hair, right? And so what I did is I created about 3 braids this way.
All right, hold on. We lost some light. We're okay. Oh, because I stepped on it. Okay, so I'm sorry. So we'll do. So you have, it's just like 2 inches long here.
Yep. So what I did is, as you can see, it's about 2 inches, and I created cornrows or braids just going straight back on her head, and then I took this hair and I crocheted it to the braid.
Now show us this hair.
Okay,
Show us
so this
pieces
hair
of this.
the cool thing about this hair is it's very inexpensive, so it's like you don't have to break the bank trying to buy some hair, some long textured hair. So this was maybe about $10. So it looks like this, and then after I'll show you how to spray some texture spray on it just to kind of remove the shine. But what you would do is take your crochet hook, put it inside the braid, right? Just like that. Put your hair on it. Close your hook, pull it through, and then you actually take the hair, pull it through the loop, and just close it.
I'm actually gasping. I've been around hair my entire career, and I've never really seen something like that.
Yes,
That's
it's really cool, right?
I mean, is this normal in the texture community to do stuff like this?
Yes. This
Oops.
is something that is like not new. You know, we've been doing this for years. It's just a cool way to kind of add braids in, or a different texture, or just something really cool that like a lot of women do, braids, the faux locks, those type of things. But it's a really cool way to kind of add braids and things into your hair without sitting all day to just get the individual braids.
So then you did several layers of this.
Yes. So the idea is that once she stands up, this will drag the floor, and then I'll create some cool shapes with it.
So Lady Godiva. So then what did you do? Did you actually shave her head there?
Yeah, so we shaved her head too. She came in, it was a little bit of hair on the sides, but we shaved her head. And then I'm going to spray paint some gold foils and stuff on the sides. It's going to be really cool. So you guys have to wait and see the finished product.
Okay, show us your hero product, because I know you're a Mizani educator, so you came supply here. I mean, there's a lot of stuff over there.
Well, all of these are my favorite, but for this specific style, the lived-in texture spray is really good because this is synthetic hair, and we want it to look natural. So as you can see, I'll spray a little bit on here for you. But let me let you look at it. So that is this is like something that I always keep in my kit. But if you can shake it up a little bit and you spray it, and it kind of removes the shine from the hair, if you can see.
So that's interesting. You want to remove the shine.
Yeah, because in texture, you know, matte hair is in now. No one wants greasy, shiny, slick down hair, unless it's like a texture transition. Then that's pretty cool. But yeah, we want to remove the shine. We don't want it to be extremely shiny or extremely oily. So this does just that. Kind of removes the finishing and the shine on it.
Okay, and then for the big reveal, we're going to let her stand up because she is just so magnificent. You want to stand up? Come on over here.
Ooh. So I'm going to still add more hair to it so it'll go all the way down. And then I'll create some cool shapes on stage.
And I don't know if you can see this, but there's actually a couple different colors in here.
Yeah. Yes.
All right,
We
and-
added some color in it too.
And then where would somebody who we're in New York, so it's probably easy to find this, but where would somebody find this if you're living in the middle of America?
Well, you know, Amazon has everything, but you can really go to your local beauty supply stores. But you can find this type of hair on Amazon. It's called Marley textured hair.
Oh, it's just the coolest thing. Okay, so how do we follow you?
You follow me at same.official. It's SAAHME.official.
Thank goodness she spelled that. And Jamal, how do we follow you?
You can follow me on Instagram. I changed my name on Instagram too. It's Lamaj, Lamaj, backwards, BACKWARDS.
That is so cool. Well, have so much fun tonight. Again, we're at the Beauty Texture Beauty, Texture Beauty Jam during New York Fashion Week, and we're having the best time. And again, thank you for doing this for Modern Salon. I know you're cranking it out, trying to get her out there, but you guys are all great. Thanks. Have fun tonight.
Thank you.
All right.